We're opening and doing an unboxing of this Familink digital photo frame. I'm actually really excited about this because I'm not a big photo printer. All my photos are electronic and they stay locked in my phone, and this will be a great way for us to take pictures as well as put them in a photo frame. This is going to be so cool. This is going to be well loved, I think. It's a nice, generous size, and I'm going to upload some photos and see what it looks like. I am so excited about this. This is so easy to use. This is my son. He went to homecoming. But now, okay, so wait. I'm so excited about this. Oh, this is a great photo. This is a photo of me not knowing how to use my camera. So I'm gonna submit it on the app. We were at a reggae fest. This is my husband, Alex. That's a horrible photo. Okay, I'm deleting it. But it happens so fast. This is awesome. And then you can tap it and heart it. I was a Zamboni princess at the Vegas Golden Knights game. And how do I do this? Okay, so you can do submit me on the Zamboni. I'm the Zamboni princess. Look at that. This was my driver, and this is me climbing on the Zamboni. We're gonna heart this. Okay, heart. Okay, here we go. Submit. Let's see how fast it is. Submitting. That was fast. This is Fonzie. I love this new toy so much. Okay, so my son's going away for college next year, and I'm gonna make him keep one of these in his apartment, and I'm gonna send him cute photos so he remembers to call his mom.